Smart home devices are becoming the standard for homes all across the world. We have smart home speakers, alarms, door locks, heating, lights, light switches, security cameras, mirrors, even smart home treadmills and planters now. But with all of these devices being implemented in every room of the house, you're bound to experience issues such as too many cables and aesthetics being compromised because of every device looking completely different. Sometimes it all becomes a bit of a cabley mess, and that is where Zuma comes in. Zuma are changing the game for smart home audio and lighting with their unique and innovative range. This is the Zuma Lumisonic, a speaker and downlight in one that fits seamlessly into your ceiling. This speaker comes with a simplicity bezel that attaches magnetically to the Lumisonic, which makes it practically invisible when installed. The ceiling is probably the last place you look when you walk into a room, so why not utilise this and create an incredibly immersive experience, combining high fidelity audio and colour rendered lighting. That's the way I'd describe Zuma. It's not just a product, it's more of an experience. Zuma also offers the smart Bezel voice, which connects to Alexa and allows you to control light and sound without lifting a finger. Just some of the features of the Lumisonic is that it's IP65 rated. This means it's humidity resistant. So, if you're a shower singer, then you can have your very own concerts without worrying about your speaker. The Lumisonic also features a tunable light with 1000 shades, wireless temperature, dimming control, and rhythm lighting. Now, let's go over a quick install with the Lumisonic. It really is so easy to install. And now it's ready in our ceiling, all we have to do is connect it to our handy Zuma app. So now we're ready, let me show you what it's really all about. Listen to this. As you can probably tell, this speaker has been designed by some of the world's leading audio and lighting engineers. The speaker itself contains a patented aluminium woofer and radial magnet, which is how it delivers such extraordinary sound. Every part of Zuma's software is updatable, and these Lumisonics are designed to have 12 to 15 years full capacity performance in them, even in high humidity conditions. The entire Zuma range is available at Netxl. Contact our wonderful support team to find your own Zuma smart home setup today. Thank you all so much for watching. Check the links down below in the description to view the entire Zuma range. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed today's video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!